So this picture is after the editing, and this is before. Let's see another picture. Guys, this is unbelievable. I am sure after watching this video, you will shoot professional pictures using only your phone. So here I have some pictures. I captured it from Yosemite. It's a national park in California. So I don't have a DSLR camera. I just use my phone camera, and I made these pictures. See how it's amazing, these pictures. Wow. See, this is before and this is after. So believe me, if you watch this video, you will make something like this using the app which I will mention in this video. So watch this video. Hello, what's up guys? In today's video I want to show you how to edit any picture in your gallery and make it perfect using only Adobe Lightroom. Guys, before everything, I am just like you. I'm not a photographer. I don't know anything about capturing professional photos, but this app, with a few steps, you can make something very professional, a very perfect picture, and without using a DSLR camera, using only your phone camera, which is amazing. So let's get started, and it will take the editing of this picture not more than 2 minutes. So let's go. Before we get started, I want to show you some pictures. This all pictures was captured by my phone, and see how they are very beautiful. This is from Yosemite National Park, and at the beginning of this video I showed you before and after the editing. So this is very amazing. Wow. Okay guys, now I am in the gallery. Let me choose this picture. After download the app, you will find the link in the description of this video. So after downloading the app, the Adobe Lightroom, you will find the link in the description. Let's go to the picture, and I will share the picture to the app. Okay, now go to the app. Wow, see, this is before and this is after. So let me start again with the new picture. So I have this picture here. So guys, it's not difficult to edit any or customize any picture. Here we have some different things, the exposure, the contrast, and everything. So just move everything and stop it when you think it's okay. So let's start from the first one, the brightness. I think from this exposure is better. Okay, now it's okay. Let's go to the contrast. Let me make it maximum. The highlights, as you see guys, when I move the highlights, increase it and decrease it, you can see the cloud. So when I increase the highlights, I can see the clouds. So now I know this is the good settings for highlights, as you see guys. So we'll make it like this, the shadows. Okay, now I can see the trees here. Okay, that's good. Let's go to the whites. Okay, the blacks. Okay, here. Now let's move for the color. I didn't prefer to change the first and the second one. Let's go to the third one. Wow, see here, there's a big difference when you move the third one. And just to let you know how the edit is going on this picture, hold the picture, this is before and this is after, so it works. I just change a few things, so every time when you go anywhere, choose your best pictures in that place. So for this place, I choose this picture because this is the best one. Of course, you capture many pictures, but this one is the best. So edit only the best pictures to share it in your Instagram account or anywhere. So let's continue. Here, let's go to the last option. Okay, now it's better. And you can edit the one after it. Yeah, see the picture how it looks like, and this is before, and it works. So be careful. Every time when you use this app, you will become better than before. So and you will do it in less than 2 minutes. And the last step is to save the picture on your device. then save to device. Okay, let's go to the gallery and see how it looks like. So this is the picture after editing it. So this is what I have for you for today. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to give me a like and subscribe. See you next video.